Hey, hello YouTube fam. So hope you guys are doing really great. This is your Bangalore boy here, and welcome back to another vlog. So today's day is going to be a very big day because I'm craving for a cheat meal after an intense workout and a diet for pattern. So guys, I'm going to be visiting Chutney Chang, which is located in MG Road. They serve a really good buffet for a reasonable price, and the taste is really amazing. Google has rated it 4.1 or 4.2, I guess 4.2. So let's check this out, and I'll let you know the costing and the food review right there. So see you guys there. It's around 1:30 right now, and I've reached Chutney Chang entering. So just had with my receptionist there. She told yeah we'll be 15 minutes. So let's see how it goes, and it's packed completely due to Christmas. It's around 1:40. So let's check out the menu. They have around 48 dishes. So the prices are 774 inclusive of tax per head. So I'll take you through the starters, the main course, and the desserts. So they're serving hot corn chicken soup. Then we have the Akbari Murg kebab. Then moving on to the honey chili chicken winglets. They have two varieties of sauce: chicken devil sauce and chicken teriyaki sauce. Then we have the butter chicken masala, and then the methali murg. This is the chicken biryani. A few other dishes which are available here. Moving on to the salads, they are chopped carrot, onions, and cucumbers. Then we have the grilled chicken salad, which is loaded with protein. And there are other varieties of salads you get. Moving on to the veg, here we get the veg hot and sauce soup, and there's veg fried wonton. So this is completely veg based, and this is a baby corn fry, which is over. And then we have the salad here, the baby potato hot garlic sauce next to it. So moving on to the Milani Tarkari, which is one of a famous vegetarian dish. I had to try it, which was different. And then this is the paneer jalfrezi. Then we have the dal tadka and the jeera palav. The veg noodles. This looks yummy, really yummy. And then we have the corn peas, that is ghee rice. And then moving on to the Indian breads, we have the butter naan. We are in the grill counter, guys. So he is the chef, and he's going to tell us what he has.
Paneer, pineapple, sweet potato.
So paneer, pineapple, sweet potato, gobi. So moving on to the chaat, this is a chaat counter, and we have varieties of chaat. So we have 5 to 6 varieties: pani puri, dahi, sev puri, papdi chaat, and aloo puri. So we start off the desserts. We have 4 varieties of ice cream: butterscotch, vanilla, and this is different, I guess. This is strawberry. So moving on to this jalebi, payasam, and honey darshan. So these two will have a great taste, and this looks really yummy. So there we have the chocolate fountain, which is loaded with chocolate. So guys, I just showed you the varieties. Right now I'm trying some of my personal choices here. To start off with, this is the barbecue chicken. So it looks, these are the barbecue chicken wings. Let's have a taste. These wings are sweet. It tastes sweet with barbecue sauce in it. So this is the chicken salad with the saffron biryani rice. Basically called a biryani rice. So it's a chicken biryani. This is a variety of kebab, and this is a piece of fish. So the wings tasted really well. So to try on with the fish, let's see how it tastes. The fish tastes a bit flat. Tastes like flat basically. Just some essence of pepper. Yeah, so this biryani tastes really amazing. It has that proper feel of dum biryani. And we basically cooked this basmati rice. So it's really great. Please check this out. So this is the chicken side. Filled with cabbage, carrot, onions, and chicken, fried chicken. Yeah guys, so this is the veg course basically. Finished with the non-veg one. So this is the jeera rice, veg noodles, and this is paneer butter masala. This is the baby corn rice I guess. Yeah, this is the baby corn rice, and then the Indian breads, which is the roti. So this is baby corn fry, and this is the veg fried corn, they call it, however they call it in China. So this is it. So let's have a taste and see how it is. Start off with, I'm starting with the Indian bread with the paneer butter masala. So this is my all-time favorite combination because the roti goes well with paneer butter masala or the butter chicken. So this time I've tasted it with the paneer butter masala. It's really yummy and tasty. Moving on to the baby corn fry with the jeera rice and paneer butter masala. It is really good, and the overall food experience here is really good. The shaman also I tasted really good, the veg shaman, and veg I can rate out of 4 and non-veg is 5.5 here. So please do visit this place. This especially is one of my favorite veg toppers. It's called the veg fried pumpkin, and it was really amazing. And so it's stuffed with some, I think it's stuffed with cabbage inside. It tasted really yummy. So directly moving on to the chaats, and the desserts are left. So tasting this chaat, this is the dahi pani puri. It is really yummy. 5/5. Hey guys, so finishing off with this vlog. So right now I'm completely full and I can't eat sugar items. So this is all for today. Do like, do share, and do comment, and do subscribe if you are not subscribed. See you all in the next vlog.